you wake up feeling stiff, low on energy, and like your body just isn't responding the way it used to, this is for you. Because the truth is, it's not your age, and it's not that your body is failing you. It's that your muscles have slowly lost connection, your joints have become tight, and your daily movement has dropped without you even realizing it. But here's the good news. You can start reversing that starting today. No complicated routines, no heavy gym sessions. Just these 8 powerful exercises done consistently every single day. And if you stay with me till the end, you'll not only feel the difference, you'll start seeing it too. Let's start with the crab pose. This is one of the most underrated movements when it comes to opening up your body and activating muscles you didn't even know were asleep. Sit on the floor, place your hands and feet down, and lift your hips up. As you hold this position, your shoulders open, your chest expands, and your glutes and core fire together. You might feel shaky at first, and that's okay. That shake is your body waking up. Stay here, breathe deeply, and feel the stretch and strength building at the same time. This one movement alone starts reversing that hunched posture most people develop over time. Next comes the pelvic tilt into bridge. This is where the real transformation begins. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and slowly tilt your pelvis before lifting your hips into a bridge. This small tilt is everything. It reconnects your brain to your glutes. Without it, most people just use their lower back and wonder why they feel pain instead of strength. As you lift, squeeze your glutes hard at the top, then come down slowly. This builds strong glutes, supports your spine, and protects your lower back. Do it slowly, feel every inch of the movement, and you'll notice your posture improving within days. Now let's talk about scissors. Simple but powerful. Lie down, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and alternate them in a controlled scissor motion. This movement targets your lower abs, an area that becomes weak and lazy very quickly if ignored. Keep your core tight, don't rush, and focus on control. You'll feel a deep burn, and that's exactly what you want. This is where core strength is rebuilt, and a strong core means better balance, less pain, and more control in everyday life. Then we move into plank jacks. This one adds a little intensity. Get into a plank position, then jump your feet in and out like a jumping jack. Now, if jumping feels too much, you can step your feet out one at a time. The goal here is to activate your full body, core, shoulders, legs, everything working together. This movement builds endurance, boosts your heart rate, and improves coordination. You're not just training muscles here, you're training your entire system to move better. After that, slow things down with the butterfly pose. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop out to the sides. This stretch opens up your hips, which is crucial because tight hips are one of the biggest reasons people lose mobility as they age. Don't force it. Just gently press your knees down and breathe. This is where your body starts to relax and release tension. Over time, this simple stretch can improve how you walk, sit, and even stand. Now we go back into activation with the glute march. Get into a bridge position again, but this time lift one leg at a time like you're marching. This challenges your stability and forces each glute to work independently. Most people have one side weaker than the other, and this exercise helps fix that imbalance. Move slowly, stay controlled, and don't let your hips drop. This is how you build real, functional strength that carries into everyday movement. Then we have alternative low lunges. Step 1 foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your back leg extended and your hips sinking down. This movement stretches your hip flexors while strengthening your legs. It's a perfect combination of mobility and strength. Alternate sides and take your time with each rep. Feel the stretch in your hips and the strength in your legs. This is what helps you move freely without stiffness or discomfort. And finally, bench glute bridges. This takes your glute work to the next level. Place your upper back on a bench or any elevated surface, feet flat on the ground, and lift your hips up. At the top, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. This builds power, shape, and strength in your glutes like nothing else. And strong glutes don't just look good, they protect your knees, support your back, and improve your overall movement. Now here's the part most people ignore: consistency. These exercises are simple, but only if you do them regularly. Do them every day, even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it, because that's when your body needs it the most. Within a week, you'll feel more active. Within a month, you'll notice better strength, improved posture, and less stiffness. And over time, you'll build a body that feels younger, stronger, and more capable. So don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation. Start today. Just a few minutes, these 8 exercises, and a commitment to yourself. Because your body is always listening to what you do daily. And when you give it the right movements, it rewards you with energy, strength, and confidence. If you found this helpful, make sure you stay consistent and keep showing up for yourself. And if you want more simple, powerful routines like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your strongest, healthiest version is waiting. You just have to take the first step.